Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you a very beautiful heart-shaped mehndi design for your backhand. Make sure you are using good quality of mehndi and mehndi tube for this design. First of all, make the heart-shaped design beginning from your first finger and now keep on drawing heart shape till it covers your wrist area. Now draw a simple line on your last finger and join it with the heart. Follow the same pattern and draw a simple line on every finger and join it with the heart. Put some dots and decorate the simple lines. Draw 3 horizontal lines and decorate them with mehndi dots as well. See how beautiful this heart-shaped mehndi design is looking. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.